Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute flying unicorn. Let's start drawing. Start with her cute eyes. Then draw her face, her nose, and her smiling mouth. I draw a unicorn's ears, her horn, and her mane. She has a beautiful and gorgeous mane. Then I draw her body. Now I'm going to draw her for legs. Draw to front legs, then to back legs. And then I draw her tail. Draw a shape of star and hearts. Next to the unicorn's tail, I draw a cloud. Above, I draw a flower. At the bottom, I draw a heart with wings. Draw a cute face. Now I'm going to use a black marker. To make this beautiful drawing more visible, let's start coloring. First, I use this marker. Then, I used yellow to paint a part of the unicorn's mane and tail. I color her horn blue. Then I used a green marker. Pink for a part of the unicorn's mane and tail. Light purple. Our unicorn looks so beautiful with many vibrant colors. Then I color the shape of heart and flower with pink and yellow. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!